Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to easily turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my laptop I would like to turn on the Bluetooth. I would like to connect some Bluetooth devices or Bluetooth related works I want to do. Means what I have to do here, in your right hand side corner you will find a Wi-Fi device and time, date and everything will be there. There will be a up arrow, just click the hidden apps will be there. So once you click the hidden apps, there will be a Bluetooth device. Once you click here to Bluetooth device, there will be a add Bluetooth device, show Bluetooth device, send and receive file will be there. So you just click here to add Bluetooth device. So once you click add Bluetooth device, what are the devices are there in near to you, everything will be displayed over there. So it's a beautiful option. You can turn on your Bluetooth discoverable. For example, you want to turn off this one, just click here to turn off. Means the Bluetooth will be off from your laptop so that no one can access your Bluetooth option. So similarly, you can turn on turn off your Bluetooth option through the settings option. In downside you will get a settings option over here. Otherwise, just go to start menu, just go to settings option and you will get option called Bluetooth and devices. Once you click Bluetooth and devices, if you have your mouse, if you have your speakers, printer, everything will be connected, phone, everything will be connected through Bluetooth. Means just to switch on this button into Bluetooth and you can add the device and you can search the device. For example, you just click here to add the device and click here to Bluetooth, it will be adding the devices over there. So what are the Bluetooth options are there, everything will be displayed over here. So for example, you want to change like a Bluetooth model, so that is Bluetooth name, that is this system has the Bluetooth name is HowXT. Just click here to view more details and pair new devices with HowXT. So you can add the devices over here. So what are your system's names will be there as a Bluetooth name. So you can send via files over here and receive the file over here. So just click here to more Bluetooth settings option. You can enable this option, allow Bluetooth device to find this PC, alert me in Bluetooth connection and show this one. So while this ticks will be switched on, means you can easily turn on your Bluetooth. So just go to Bluetooth devices and just scroll down, you will get a Bluetooth option over there. So more devices over here, so and just scroll down and you will get Bluetooth more settings option. So you can easily turn on your Bluetooth from your laptop and your nearby devices. You can find and connect to your devices. You are using Windows 11, means you need to switch on these setups. Means it is easy to connect to your headphone, mouse and every Bluetooth devices from your PC or laptop in Windows 11. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.